Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों and welcome back to another video. जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि पूरी दुनिया को इस वक्त एक इंतहाई खतरनाक वबाई मर्ज का सामना है, जिसकी वजह से हजारों लोग अपनी जिंदगियों से हाथ धो बैठे हैं और हजारों खानदान इस मर्ज की वजह से बुरी तरह मुतासिर हुए हैं. This pandemic has claimed over 3 million lives. हम गुज़िश्ता एक साल से ज़्यादा अरसे से ये खबरें सुन रहे हैं कि किस तरह इस मर्ज की वजह से लोगों की जिंदगियां बर्बाद हुए हैं. लोग बेरोजगार हो गए हैं, स्कूल बंद है, तफरी मकामात बंद है, आप अपने रिश्तेदारों से आसानी से नहीं मिल सकते. हमारी जिंदगी बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ हो चुकी है. Many of us are scared of getting sick. Now here are some facts. साइंसदानों ने इस मर्ज से मुमकिना बचाव के लिए एक टीका तैयार किया है. And the corona vaccine happens to be the topic of this video. The only way we can fight this virus is if we get vaccinated so that less people get infected and the virus can be stopped from spreading. Even if your family member has had COVID, you can still get the vaccine. It will protect you even more. The virus mutates and gets transmitted from person to person very easily. The only way we can stop the spread is if our community gets vaccinated. The virus spreads mainly from person to person when we talk, cough, and sneeze. The vaccine will protect you from getting sick. There may be minor side effects from the vaccine, which include fever, fatigue, sore arm, and headache. But these only last a few days. It is nothing to worry about. So what can we do? A huge problem is social media. You will see a lot of information that is incorrect about the problems of vaccines. Do not listen to all of this. It is not true. We all took vaccines when we were young against measles, chickenpox, tuberculosis. Vaccines protect us. This vaccine is just like that vaccine. It will protect you and protect your family. We have to play our part in helping the government control the pandemic. We have to take the vaccine. There is no other way to manage this pandemic. Even after having taken the vaccine, we need to continue to wear our masks, physically distance ourselves from others, not gather in big groups, wash our hands all the time. It is very important to maintain personal hygiene always, as I have told you in my other videos. लिहाजा मैं आखिर में आपसे दोबारा ये बात कहूँगा कि आपके ख़ानदान में तमाम अफराद, आपके पड़ोसी ये टीका ज़रूर लगवाएं. Encourage your neighbors and relatives to take the vaccine. It is available at many centers near your home. There is an age limit, so we have to follow the government's directives. Then inshallah, we can start opening our schools and public places and make Pakistan COVID free. Please stay safe and protect your community. Khudafiz dosto, and see you in the next video.